everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I have another yarn haul from Hobbii. I have not ordered from Hobbii for a bit, so shall we make a start and see what I've got? Feels quite nice and squishy, so let's just open it up and see what I've got. I don't think I can remember what I ordered, to be honest. So I hope you're all well. I got some of the twister in the silver grey. It's colour 102. 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. There are 100 grams, 437 yards. It's a 2 fine weight, which you all know that is my favourite yarn to work with. I do work with other yarns, but predominantly I do enjoy working with the 2 weight. It was designed in Denmark and made in Turkey. 3 to 4 millimeter needles, US 3 to 6, UK 11 to 8, and a hook is 3.5 to 4 millimeter, or US E to G 4 to 6. So I got 2 of them, which gives me 874 yards. So that will be enough for a project. And then I got the same in this, which is colour 113, and it's exactly the same yardage and everything, but I really like that colour. Really like that colour. I like them 2 colours together. I'm trying to build up my cottons, so when I see cotton at a reasonable price, I get some. And I haven't got this dark grey, which is really nice. I like them 2 colours together, so I think I got 2 of them. Which will go really nice together. I got a sweetie, and what else did I get? Oh, I got a free gift, cable hooks, cable stitch holders, a pack of 3, so I've got them. And then I got, look at that, it is cream, then you've got the pale green, then you've got the teal, and then you've got the navy blue. And this is Cotton King's Twirls, 100% cotton, 200 grams, 800 meters, and it is 2 fine, which is the 4 strands. As you can see, there's 4 strands there, and it is a 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter knitting needle, US 2 to 4, UK 12 to 10, and the crochet hook is 3.5 to 4 millimeters, E to G US sizes. 30. It was made in England. It wasn't made in England at all. It was made in India, and it is lot colour number 01, and that is really nice. I'll get a project out of that, a shawl, because I'm making shawls for family members for Christmas this year. And then the other colour, I couldn't resist this colour. I don't know what it is about peaches. I really like peaches. The colour number for this is 32. and it's the same specs. 874 yards, so I definitely get a nice shawl out of that. And as you all know, I've got a book of shawls. Where is it? I've got a book of knitted shawls here. So some will be crocheted, some will be knitted. But I really like that colour. I think it's really nice. And I know who this is going to be for. And I'm not... so yeah, I really like this yarn. Really nice. So it's the same specs as this one. And I'm quite chuffed. Quite pleased with what I got. So I'm in the I think this is my bill. Is this my invoice? Yeah. So yeah, so I'm really chuffed. This one is super soft. I really love this this cotton, and I can see myself ordering some more as well. And it didn't take long to get here to either, considering, you know, and I was informed all the way of when it was dispatched and how long it would take to get here, and it got here less time that they estimated it would get here. So if you are a cotton lover like me, or you're just a yarn lover, I think we all are in the crochet fibre community, aren't we? We just love our cottons and acrylics and wool and that. Check out Hobbii. They have some really good deals on, and I got this in, I think I got this in the summer extravaganza, and I'll definitely I've not bought this yarn before, but I'll definitely be buying more of this twister. It is so soft, and two of these will make a shawl. In fact, I'm going to put them two together to make a shawl, and I'll use the others to make summer tops for myself for this year, or maybe not this year, maybe next year. I've got that many projects on the go. But check out Hobbii in the description box below, and I hope you enjoy this video, and please let me know which is your favourite out of these yarns. Which is your favourite? And let me see, we've got that one, and then we've got that one. So which is your favourite? I know which are mine. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe and be kind to yourselves. Bye bye for now. Bye.